So today we're going to go for an oil and filter change. So why do we need to change the oil instead of just topping it up? Well, there's a number of reasons. Mainly the contamination of your oil. Over a period of time, your oil picks up all sorts of contaminations and that can be detrimental to your engine. So I'd recommend you change your oil every 12,000 miles or annually, but I would suggest you check your owner's manual. With time, engine oil loses its lubricating power. The moving parts can start to grind against each other if the oil's left in that condition, causing big damage. Now, when do you change your oil filter? Ideally, I'd do it with every oil change. But say it with me, folks, check the manual. Did you know it's good practice to put a little bit of engine oil on the gasket to prevent sticking or leaks? Fun fact of the day. Anyway, if you don't get the filter changed, it gets more and more clogged with contaminants like carbon, dust, and we just don't want that. I'm using NAPA oil here today because they've got a super handy oil finder on their website that matches the right oil to your registration number. And as you can see, their oil is developed by Valvoline, so we know it's the good stuff. When did you last have an oil change? It's probably time to book in for one. Thank me later.